Jay, you've been dealing with a lot of companies as a provider, and advising companies and telling solutions, large companies on how to implement this. How are you, in your experience, what are you seeing in the market from a data security, from LLM security? Every company is moving into this direction because, we discussed this earlier, from movie making to, hospitality to hospitals. Every company is moving into this. What are you seeing in the market and how are you advising as general best practices?
So what we are seeing in the market is that everybody wants to move, as Amit, you told, that they want to adopt LLM, they want to adopt Gen AI. But what we are seeing also is that they don't have the control or the guardrails put in place. So what we do when we go or talk to a customer is that how are we going to train the model in your business? What is your business perspective? Why do you need an AI model? Okay. And then the next thing is that what kind of data are you going to feed? And what we have seen in most of the customers, they give 100% genuine data to the AI model and train. So that we advise that don't do that, because that is a higher risk to the organization, and in future it's a self-learning because you have to control the AI. So what we give advice is that it's generalized privacy. What we do, 60% genuine data, 40% anonymized data or a garbage kind of a data. What will give you an advantage there is that you have a control on the AI model and what kind of violation it is creating, and you can track that. The next thing what we do when we advise them is that don't create complex LLM models. Create simpler models, create multiple models, and document that models so that you have complete traceability to the lowest element of that LLM what you have designed, and create a compliance process what you have just spoken, that audit it periodically. And that you can bring in through the data security, posture management tools what are available. And these tools are evolving. There are no good tools or industry leading tool sets. They are also evolving to control that framework. So as you said, CISA is developing the framework, European organizations are developing the frameworks that has to control, that has to come into the tooling platforms. So that's what we are doing, and we are helping them on the SecOps part for detection engineering. How do you detect anomaly? So we are working with Google itself on Chronicle, with Mandate and other thing. How do we create detection use cases on the LLM violations? Okay, so that's something which we are working with Google itself. How do we do that? What is that which can come in to the Google Chronicle engineering perspective, creative, customized use cases, and help them out?
This is fantastic, because I think in the whole maze of things, we bring lot of complexity where we can make things simple.